Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on Pi Approximation Day. Pi Approximation Day is celebrated every year on July 22nd. This is dedicated to the mathematical constant pi. Pi is a special number that starts with 3.14 and goes on forever. July 22nd is chosen because 22/7 is a common fraction used to approximate pi. Pi is used in math to calculate the circumference and area of circles. On Pi Approximation Day, kids can have fun learning about circles and pi. Some people celebrate by eating pie, which sounds like pi. Learning about pi helps kids understand geometry better. Schools and math clubs often celebrate with games and contests. Pi Approximation Day makes learning math fun and exciting. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.